The wave of digital self-reliance is growing rapidly in India. Not only are Indian apps becoming an alternative to foreign apps, but India also has a strong stake in the world of browsing. In this regard, Indian company Zoho has introduced its Ula browser, which is completely made in India. This new browser is not just a tool for browsing the internet, but a digital product that truly embraces your privacy, speed, and control. Its popularity is growing rapidly and many users are switching from Google Chrome to Ula. India is growing rapidly due to digital self-reliance. Not only are Indian apps emerging as an alternative to foreign apps, but India is also gaining a strong foothold in the browsing world. In this regard, Indian company Zoho has introduced its Ula browser, which is completely made in India. Ads will not appear in Ula browser. Ula's biggest feature is its built-in ad blocker. This means you're completely free from annoying ads on websites. This feature not only loads web pages faster but also makes the browsing experience smoother than ever. While Chrome requires an extension to remove ads, Ula has this feature built in. This is why it works 20-30 than regular browsers. No data tracking, complete privacy guaranteed. In today's digital age, online data security is a major issue. Therefore, Ula browser is the best choice for users who are strict about their online privacy. Zoho claims that Ula does not track or sell user data under any circumstances. This means that your search history, website visits, or click patterns are not shared with any third parties. In contrast, browsers like Chrome use user data to display ads. If you want to keep your online activity completely private, Ula browser is a very reliable option. Different modes for each user. Another feature in Ula is its multiple browsing modes. You get several options like work mode, personal mode, kids mode, and developer mode. Each mode has its own privacy and control features. For example, kids mode automatically blocks adult content, while developer mode allows developers to test and integrate tools. While Chrome supports profile switching, it doesn't offer custom modes like Ula. In terms of performance, Ula browser is lightweight, putting less strain on the system's CPU and RAM. Its optimized code ensures excellent performance even on older or low-spec computers. Chrome, on the other hand, uses a lot of RAM, slowing down the system. In comparison, Ula loads faster, runs smoother, and doesn't freeze while browsing. Clean and simple interface. Ula's interface is attractive at first glance. Its design is minimalist and user-friendly. Managing bookmarks, viewing history, switching tabs, or saving websites, everything is easy and organized. While Chrome's bookmarks bar can seem a bit complicated, everything in Ula is clean and straightforward. Its simple look makes it the perfect browser for both professionals and casual users.